The strangest natural phenomenon you won't believe exists. The sailing stones, also known as sliding rocks, can be found in a dry lakebed known as the Racetrack Playa. What makes them so fascinating is that they appear to move across the desert floor all on their own. The movement of the sailing stones only occurs under very specific conditions. During rare winter rainstorms, a thin layer of water covers the dry lakebed, transforming it into a shallow, slippery surface. With the gentlest push from wind or the slightest slope on the lakebed, the icebound rocks start to move, leaving behind distinct tracks as they travel across the playa.